The Yamaha Zuma 125-2026 is not just another scooter, it's a bold statement in the world of urban mobility. Known for its rugged DNA, aggressive styling, and unmatched reliability, the Zuma series has built a loyal fan base across the United States. In 2026, Yamaha continues to refine this iconic machine, keeping it relevant for modern riders who demand efficiency, durability, and style, all in one compact package. Welcome to SG Riders, where today we break down everything you need to know about the Zuma 125-2026. USA price, budget-friendly performance machine. Let's start with what most riders care about, the price. The Yamaha Zuma 125-2026 is expected to be priced between $3,800 and $4,200 in the United States. This price range makes it highly competitive in the 125 cubic centimeters scooter category. Yamaha has always focused on delivering premium quality at an affordable cost, and the Zuma 125 continues that tradition. For students, daily commuters, and even first-time riders, this scooter offers a perfect balance between cost and performance. When you consider its long-term reliability and low maintenance, the Zuma 125 becomes an even smarter investment. Engine and performance, built for real-world riding. At the heart of the Zuma 125-2026 lies a 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. While it may sound small on paper, this engine is specifically tuned for urban performance. The scooter delivers smooth throttle response, strong low-end torque, reliable daily performance. Thanks to Yamaha's Blue Core technology, the engine maximizes fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on open roads, the Zuma 125 feels responsive and stable. The automatic CVT transmission makes riding effortless, especially for beginners. No gears, no stress, just twist the throttle and go. Fuel efficiency, a money-saving champion. One of the biggest strengths of the Yamaha Zuma 125 is its incredible fuel economy. The 2026 model is expected to deliver around 90 to 100 miles per gallon, mpg. This makes it one of the most fuel-efficient scooters available in the US market. With rising fuel prices, this level of efficiency is a major advantage. For daily commuters, this means fewer trips to the gas station, lower monthly expenses, more freedom to ride. Simply put, the Zuma 125 helps you save money while enjoying the ride. Design and styling, rugged meets modern. The Zuma 125 stands out instantly thanks to its aggressive and off-road inspired design. Unlike traditional scooters, it has a bold personality that appeals to younger riders and adventure lovers. Key design highlights include dual LED headlights for a futuristic look, chunky tires for better grip and stability, compact yet muscular body design, high ground clearance for rough roads. The 2026 version is expected to introduce new color options and updated graphics, giving it a fresh and modern appearance. This is not a scooter that blends in, it's built to stand out. Comfort and practicality, designed for everyday use. While the Zuma 125 looks aggressive, it doesn't compromise on comfort. Yamaha has designed this scooter for real-world usability. Riders can expect a comfortable upright seating position, wide handlebars for better control, spacious underseat storage for daily items, lightweight chassis for easy maneuvering. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just cruising around the city, the Zuma 125 delivers a smooth and comfortable experience. Features and technology, smart and functional. The Yamaha Zuma 125-2026 comes equipped with modern features that enhance both convenience and safety. Expected features include fully digital LCD instrument cluster, LED lighting system for better visibility, fuel injection for consistent performance, front disc brake for improved stopping power, USB charging port, likely upgrade for 2026. These features may not sound flashy, but they are exactly what riders need for everyday practicality, durability, and reliability. Yamaha's strong reputation. One of the biggest reasons riders trust Yamaha is reliability. The Zuma 125 has a proven track record of durability, making it a dependable choice for long-term use. The scooter is built to handle daily commuting stress, rough urban roads, changing weather conditions. With proper maintenance, the Zuma 125 can easily last for years without major issues. This reliability makes it a favorite among riders who want a worry-free experience. Future updates. What to expect in 2026. While the Zuma 125 is already a solid package, Yamaha is expected to introduce minor improvements in the 2026 model. Possible updates include improved suspension setup, enhanced digital display features, new color schemes and graphics, better connectivity options. Yamaha usually focuses on refinement rather than drastic changes, ensuring that the core identity of the Zuma remains intact. Who should buy the Zuma 125? The Yamaha Zuma 125 2026 is perfect for students looking for an affordable ride, daily commuters who need fuel efficiency, beginners who want an easy-to-ride scooter, riders who prefer rugged styling over traditional designs. It's a versatile scooter that fits a wide range of lifestyles. Conclusion: a smart choice for 2026. The Yamaha Zuma 125 2026 continues to prove why it's one of the best scooters in its class. With a strong engine, excellent fuel efficiency, rugged design, and affordable price, it checks all the right boxes. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and economical scooter in the USA, the Zuma 125 should definitely be on your list. Outro, SG Riders. This is SG Riders, bringing you the latest updates on bikes and scooters from around the world. Stay connected for more powerful content, future reviews, and trending rides. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next big ride is just around the corner.